welcome back. Got a little project here. We got this a long time ago from Home Depot, and it's a little dry erase board, and I thought I would put it together. Ariel has no qualms in doing it, so I have the pieces here, and this piece, I got the little screws, I've got some wood glue, and it says a hammer, but I don't know if I really need the hammer or not, so we'll see. And this is the little pen, and you need a Phillips screwdriver. Now it says take the long piece. I don't know which one, I guess it doesn't matter. Now these already have holes. They already have holes on them. So, and then you're gonna take this piece, I guess from what it looks like, and put it on here like this, so that it shows the hole here and this piece. And you're going to screw in, let's dump these out. Is it nails or the screws? I guess they're nails. Yeah, these are for the bottom. So you're going to take these nails. So I guess I do need a hammer. Ooh, I'm going to have to go get one and hammer it down, because they started the holes, and you're supposed to glue right here and right here, and glue in the thing. So I gotta go get a hammer. I imagine before doing this, you could paint it or whatever you want to do. I'd paint it afterwards. But I need to go get a hammer, and I will be right back. Had to go steal a hammer. And we will get this stuff down. I don't want to use a lot, but we will put it on here. Make sure it's lined up. Whoops. Dumping stuff off my... Sorry about all the noise. That goes in way hard. So, there's one. And you put two in there. This one should be a little easier. There, so it looks like that. And then step 2 is, because there's 2 holes here, that's where the little hanger up thing's gonna be. Hang up thing is gonna be. So this has got writing on it. So you're gonna want to put that in, right? Put that in, And then you take the other piece and you're going to hammer this side right. And hammer this side like this. Well, this was pretty easy. Put a little glue right there. Okay. That. And it wants you to put glue in here. But I don't know if I want to do that because you want to be able to move it. It has to move. So we'll see. Okay, then you're going to glue this part. On. Make sure that it's in the right spot. Take another nail. This would probably work a lot better if you had two people hold it in place. Because it doesn't want to stay. I'm going to hit my finger. Hopefully not. See, I can't hold it that way. I can't hammer it that way. I need to use this hammer. It does not want to go in. That was hard. And this is supposed to be a workshop thing for kids. And those nails went in really, 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 really hard. So, I don't know how they expect kids to do that. And, okay, so it's supposed to do that. I can put a little glue in here now. Just a little bit. In. And then the last part is to screw in. I'm not going to put, it says to do this part next, but I'm not going to do that next. I'm going to make it so this will go in. So we are going to screw this part in. It should be fun, as the first one went so well. I think it's supposed to line up right there. So, you can put this in and use your thing. Screw this part in. maybe. Yeah, as soon as it goes all the way down. You could probably use an electric one. It's starting to split the it's splitting the wood. It shouldn't split the wood. It's like splitting the wood. It's splitting it. See? So, let's do the other side. See what happens with that. I may end up just having to glue it because I think these screws are too big. We shall see what happens on this side. It just split the wood. It's supposed to go in. Let's see if I can see it. Well, we will screw it down until you find the hole, and then screw it in the hole. Yeah, that works. Take this side out. Guess I should have done the other side first. So now let's put that part in. That part. Just screw it in enough so it doesn't show on the bottom. There we go. There's your little plaque. See, and it doesn't, that's why I didn't want to glue it in, because there's line. Now, see, I moved it over. That's okay. But now you can paint it and do whatever you want with it. And this little thing right here goes like that. You can hang it or you can set it down. I thought this would be fun to put it in the laundry room, and Ariel can write me a note or whatever. The marker's dried out. But I've got plenty of these things. So, there we go. There's the little message board. Isn't that cute? You can get these dry erase markers anywhere. I don't think I have one down here. No, just regular one. So, there's my little craft thing for today. I don't know if you can put something up here, you know, or if, you know, if I was going to give it to Ariel, I would, you know, she'd paint it or do whatever she wants with it. I'm going to see if I can get that wood glue off there. There. Cute. Thanks for watching, guys. That was fun. Huh? Alrighty. We will see y'all again later. Bye now.